Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you are new here and you've just discovered my channel through this hop today, I hope you enjoy my project, and at the end you will give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment because everyone who comments on all of the videos gets put into a drawing to win a $25 gift certificate to a cherry on top, and you will find the entire hop lineup, links to the products I'm using, all those things in the description box. So I am working with Maggie Holmes' Forever Fields collection today. Our theme for this month is travel project. So I am working with 5 photos. This is from a trip that I took. Well, actually, it's from a side quest that my oldest son, and my nephew and I went on. So we were in North Carolina, and on the way home, we stopped in West Virginia at this ghost town, which was super cool. This is the second layout of 3 featuring these travel photos. So the first layout would have gone on my channel last night. This is the second layout, and the third layout will be back here up on my channel right around noon. So this is kind of like the middle layout in a series of layouts about this trip that we took to this abandoned ghost town. This is in Thurmond, West Virginia. It's part of the River Gorge National Park there. My layout today is going to feature 5 photos. So I want to keep the embellishments and pattern paper kind of focused on those photos. I'm using as my background some basil cardstock. This is in the natural color. So I'm going to go ahead and add some color behind all 5 of my photos. My 2 pattern papers are going to go across the bottom of my layout, but first I really want to add a little bit of sparkle to my background, a little bit of gold splatter, and my favorite way to add gold splatter to a background is with Brutus Monroe's Metallic Aqua Pigment in Gilded. I love this stuff. It's a liquid watercolor, so I'm just going to put some of it down on my glass mat, add a spritz or 2 of water, and grab my favorite fan brush, because I really think I've tried it all. I've tried all the tapping and everything for splatters, and this is just, for me, the best technique to add splatter to a scrapbook page. So I set that aside to dry, and now I'm going to come back with all of those elements, and we're going to pull this page all together. So here are those 2 strips of pattern paper. I'm going to place them across the bottom of my page, and that's going to give my page an anchor at the bottom and kind of like a resting place for the rest of my scrapbook page. I used this floral pattern in the first page I did about this trip. So I want to bring just a little bit more of it into the next page. And then this part of my family album will be using the same products, the same collection. They will coordinate but not match. Now I'm going to get my photographs into place here. And I want to use some of the labels that are part of this sticker book and the 6x12 sticker sheet to add some journaling to these photos. So I'm going to kind of have them overlap a couple of the photos, just a little bit, just enough so that you know that the journaling and the story that I'm telling on the label is about the photograph it's attached to. Since I have that nice neutral background again, I'm going to continue to use some of these clear stickers. 2 of the clear stickers said "Remember Today," and that is just perfect title. We're going with it. And I think I use quite a few. As I continue to embellish this, you're going to see me use quite a few more of the clear stickers, simply because I do have this nice neutral background, and that is where clear stickers work best. Clear stickers are best when you have a white or cream or very light colored neutral background, and that will help to kind of fill them in and make them pop a little bit. I'm going to choose 3 areas to add some embellishment to my layout. So I'm going to choose this little corner down here to add some of the die cut florals. If you have been watching my channel for a long time before, I tend to really enjoy making my own embellishments. So one of kind of like my hallmark things is that I make my own titles and my own thickers, and I do a lot of stamping and I do a lot of die cutting. This layout is more of like a nice, easy breezy, let's play with my embellishments layout. I didn't do any die cutting or stamping. The messiest I got was that little splatter in the background, and I let these pretty embellishments and these pretty clear stickers do the work for me. And I think that sometimes that is the best thing to do, is to let your embellishments do some of the work for you. Sometimes it doesn't always have to be a project with lots of steps and lots of work. Sometimes it can just be a nice, easy layout. And since I find clear stickers to be a challenging embellishment for me to use, having this layout and this opportunity to kind of use them up is something I wanted to take full advantage of. And there it is. Our layout is complete. Be sure to check the description box. I will leave links to these, to the products I used in my video, and I will also have the entire hop lineup down there for you, so you can hop along and check out all of the amazing travel projects in today's hop. I think that today's hop is an especially good one, and I hope you find lots of inspiration. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.